investment in terms of when you want to invest, be definitely known as one of the best investment on the land right now. But there's a challenge to it.
Turahota guteithia ciana cina thina macukuru tukeyunganithia kuria turi diaspora tukanyitana turi ithuothe nigetha tuhote guteithia bururi wa Kenya. No Kenya umuthi tukilaunch umuthi turauga atiriri we wita mundu mu Kenya ri niki ureka nigetha uteithie bururi waku. Turorage nginya neighbor utari na gia kumuhe atarata gutora mwana cukuru cokaga muhuko karuta kanyamu kanini ugateithia mundu ucio wina thina. Tondu reke ngwire thirikari no irute maundu manene no andu a Kenya matangirutira o enyewe kurugama na bururi wao na tigai kurugama na kuga ati ni nditite gukorwo ni mukenya ni najivunia kwa mkenya ndugatirayo kiugo uguo ika maundu maria mekuonania we mukenya halisi.
We welcome the partnership with Face of Kenya and we are ready to reach out to all Kenyans who are working globally to come and actually offer solutions that are local using the model that we have to deliver affordable housing.